Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TijaneeEmani. Probably as you read by the title. You'll be watching me get ready while I read some of my red flags. I have a lot of them written down in my notes, so we're just gonna hop straight into it. I'm not gonna be telling y'all what I'm using and stuff because I already did a video like that and y'all will see that really soon. Of course, by the time y'all probably see this one, y'all gonna be seeing the other one. I don't know which one I'm gonna put out first, but let's just get right into it. So let me put some concealer. The advice I'm about to give you girls on red flags, let me just put y'all on. One of my red flags is if a man if he only hit you up at night, like what else could he be asking for? What else could he be asking for you to do at night? Why is it always that he hit you up after hours? What about during the day? But you're not worth time during the day? You're not worth his time? Stop answering men that only hit y'all up at night. Like, it's embarrassing. It really is embarrassing. What am I, a vampire? I'm outside at night? We're owls now? If he's only hitting you up at night, clearly he doesn't see anything else interesting in you. And he just wants to waste both of y'all's time. Red flag, run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Another one is if he never lets you have a social life. If you're in a relationship or if y'all dating, let's say dating. If y'all are dating and he's already giving controlling, telling you that none of your friends are for you, you're stupid for trying to go hang out with them, you're wasting your time with your homegirls, that man is insecure and he obviously don't want other people to see you. He wants to be the only thing in your life. Red flag. A red motherfucking flag. A man that does not want his woman to be independent and have a life outside of him is an insecure man. And a man that wants to control. So when he leaves you, you only depend on him. All you have was him. You didn't cut off all your friends. You didn't stop talking to everybody around you for this man. And now that he doesn't want you, he's trying to leave you and walk about your life. You don't have nobody else. He made you 100% dependent on him. And we've all been in a relationship where we were like that. And sometimes it's really unintentional, but it is a red flag. Stop letting these men have so much control on what we do. Real red flags. If this man has no goals or ambition or isn't pushing towards building something, he's obviously lost and confused, and all he's gonna do is lead you to be lost and confused. Red flag. He don't have no intentions in life. He don't have no goals, ambition. My foundation literally just squirted all over. Literally just went all over. Dripped on my robe. This is a black robe, baby. If you get makeup on it, it's a wrap. But if that man has no ambition, no goals, all he's going to do is lead you to no ambition and no goal. And it's sad to say that video is for the girls and the guys because maybe y'all not aware of y'all red flags. I'm here to let y'all know. The next one I have is he's always super prideful about you. And it's too much for his pride to put his pride down. When it comes to you, red flag. Just go. And all the products I'm using, I am going to list them below. Of course, if this man is constantly mentioning, we're not even gonna keep up with the numbers. I'm already all over the place. If this man is always constantly mentioning other women, the women he's dealt with in the past, red flag. My thing is, you're trying to pursue something with me. Why do you keep wanting to bring up another girl? I understand when we're down the line. Cool, tell me, some scenarios that happened so I get to know you better, but constantly talking about another girl. No woman wants to hear about another woman. Like, if you're trying to pursue something with me, how about get to know me? Stop comparing me or asking me, do I do stuff that your ex-girl did or that the last bitch did? I'm not her. How about you go call that bitch and tell her everything she did so you can just go complain to her? You're obviously not ready to look for another woman. Be interested in someone else if you're still caught up on what happened in your past relationship. Clearly. Me personally, I don't think nobody should not be talking about what happened in your last relationship until it's further down the line. Walking into a new relationship and you're just throwing in the other person's face. This goes for the ladies too. If you're constantly throwing in your new partner's face what the last person did early, all you're gonna do is show them that you dealt with a lot and you put up with that. So guess what? They're gonna put you through the same thing and see how long you survive. That's just a little advice for the ladies and the guys. Putting all your trust in these men, thinking like, oh, the next man is gonna save me. That is possible, but nobody's looking to save somebody when they're just getting to know each other. The next one is If the man is indecisive and never keep his word, not even with himself, he's a red flag. If he can't keep a promise to himself, what makes you think he's gonna keep a promise to you? Like, just be for real. Summer Walker, play broken promises, because that's what you're gonna be doing. It's really not even worth it. If you can see these signs early, then why keep trying to ignore them? And we all been there. I'm not gonna say I've never dealt with some of these red flags. I definitely have, but it's always a way to learn from them. If he spends too much time out and in the club and he's at every event, God bless me. But if he's at every event, every time you go out and he's known for just being out in a club, he's a red flag. He's probably hitting on every girl. He doesn't have any life. He doesn't have nothing going on for himself. All he care about is being out in the club.
You look so cute sitting there doing absolutely fucking nothing, bitch! Get your ass up! Get your ass up! What has sitting on your ass gotten you thus far?
He has nothing better to do. I'll put a little bit of contour down here. Another red flag. Everybody know this one. He takes too long to reply back. Clearly, you're not that important to him. So why waste your time with a man who can't make time for you to even do something so simple as text back? Why keep harassing a man to text back, double texting him, seeming desperate, and it's quite clear that he doesn't want your attention. A man that wants your attention is going to do anything to get it, and obviously he's not interested in you. And there's nothing wrong with you. He's just not interested in you, and that's just a sign for you to get up and go. Texting back is simple. Like, are we in high school? Another one is he put his partners and his homeboys, whatever you want to call it. He put them before everything. Everything he has going on. It's all about the homeboys. It's all about the partners. How about you go be with your homeboys? Everything is about them. How about you just go lay up with them? But when you make everything about them and that's your main priority and that's what you want to live through and that's what you're looking forward to every day, I'm cool off that. I want a man who thinks for himself, who has his own ambition, has his own motion, his own goals. Everything is, oh, my partner, oh, my homeboy. Like, some of y'all guys really look up to y'all homeboys and it's really giving dick riding. He's a pushover and can't think for himself. Just like the last one, like I said, if everything is around your homeboys and you can't think for yourself, you can't make decisions for yourself, and you're a pushover, no, you consider a weak man. If they are pushing you over, how can you lead me? Your homeboy's gonna be thinking for our relationship too? I might as well just date your homeboys. That's why you don't need a weak man. He could be easily influenced into anything. Another one is he isn't direct with his communication. He isn't clear of what he wants. He's just look like a lost puppy. Kind of passive aggressive. The path is not clear. Get somebody else to do it because I'm not about to be the one to do it. He doesn't keep up with himself. He's never clean, never trying to keep up with himself and just up with his hygiene. And if he's not keeping up with his hygiene, what does he expect you to do? If he's not keeping up with his hygiene, that just says enough for me. I don't even look at men who don't keep up with their hygiene. It's just not me. The next one is he plays video games all day. That one also speaks for itself. I'm not playing with no childish man. If you want to play video games all day, go sit at your mom's house because you're not about to sit up under me. I don't mind my man playing games. To do something to keep himself occupied while he's at home. But if you want to play video games all day, every day, you are not in school. I am not your mom. Go do something with yourself. And you think you can come play games with me? You got the wrong one.
He had the right idea, right, but the wrong bitch. Hello.
When y'all first dating and y'all going out on dates and he's already asking for too much, red flag. He's way too comfortable to ask you for stuff if y'all just started talking. And that means he's going to be a very needy man. If he's already asking you for stuff off the rip, asking you to buy things, asking you to split the bill, go half with him, and y'all just started dating, red flag. Ladies, don't get me wrong, it's okay to spoil a man and reciprocate the energy, but when you guys are first dating, you wanted to date me. You asked me out on a date. Why do you want me to go half with you? Be for real.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
If he's asking for too much, asking you to do above and beyond without receiving anything back. I had a man ask me one time to buy him some fucking shoes. Some damn Alexander McQueen's, and we didn't even know each other for probably not even a month. Have you lost your mind? Red flag, run. He's bum. He treats you like his mom. He wants you to pick up after him, keep up with all his things, all his stuff. he wants you to be his mom. That is a red flag, because we're in a relationship where we're supposed to be growing together. We're supposed to be doing everything as a team. I am not your mom. I'm not going to pick up behind you like you're my child. I'm not going to cater to you like you're my child by receiving little to nothing. No. Asking you to come meet up with him without establishing any real plans or a real date. I mean, y'all should be able to put 2 and 2 together. That man is obviously wasting your time. It doesn't think it is even worth asking you to on a real date. If he don't see you as value to ask you on a real date, clearly he's looking for one thing. He's not really interested, sis. He's just trying to get in between the sheets. Add a little bit of blush. My makeup is something coming out. It's kind of cute today. Another one is he's too Instagram. Like, he's too invested in Instagram. I don't know how to stress it to you girls. If that man is involved way too much into Instagram, has every IG model, does everything to make a post, he's probably DMing every bitch that he come across. Probably telling the same, running the same script on every girl. You need to run. That man is dangerous. Not just dangerous. He's dangerous, girl. He's dangerous. No. He does stuff for followers. No. He does stuff for clout. No.
We like tank tops.
We like Instagram likes.
And we smashing your check.
We are light skinned and we can help you.
Let me read another red flag. A man that comes off as nonchalant. Everybody wants their man to be so mean. That nonchalant attitude is just not cute. You want basically those type of men want a woman to kiss their ass. I'm not an ass kisser, and I'm not kissing no man's ass. That nonchalant attitude ain't gonna get you nowhere with me. But that man that wants you to kiss his ass is just not it. It's giving you want to be the female. That man is being nonchalant while trying to date you is very confusing, because do you want to get to know me or not? But we're not chasing men. This day. A nonchalant man wants to be chased. He doesn't want to open up. He has his attitude, but he wants to take you out on a date. Make that make sense. Like, another one is a man that always wants to go with the flow. What are you pursuing? Like, what are we trying to date for? If you're not dating to lead up to something else, you're not dating to marry, you're not dating to build, you're not dating to grow. I'm not a go with the flow type of girl. You're not about to just put me in a category where you're not clear. It's indirect. You don't know what you want. You're trying to confuse me because you're confused. No. A man-child. A man that's a child. A man-child. You want to be taken serious like a grown man, but you have many childlike ways. You're not ready to grow up. You still want to do stuff that you were doing when you were 17. We're not 17. All we got to do left is lashes, highlight, and some gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes, and then I'm going to come back. So now my lashes are on, but now I'm going to go in with my gloss. The gloss, it just changed the whole look. Now we just need to add highlight. Here's my highlight brush. I put some above my brow bone. Just put that right on top. A little bit in between here, tip of my nose, and a little bit under my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm about to take my scarf off. I'm gonna have to do my hair, but that'll be separate. So this is the final look. I installed my wig yesterday, but I gotta touch up my baby hairs and stuff. So now, everything is done. I kind of wet my hair up a little bit just now. I just need to touch it up. But this is the overall look. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love me talking about my red flags and while also doing my makeup. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. Guys, for watching, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And follow me on my socials. I only have TikTok and Instagram. I don't use Twitter or Snapchat. So I will leave all that down below. Guys, for watching. Bye.